Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF file in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started. Now digital signatures allows you to sign contracts, approve documents, complete forms, and avoid printing paperwork. So first, you're going to head to iLovePDF by typing in iLovePDF in your web browser. Then you're going to click on iLovePDF website. Once you click on it, you're going to be directed to the iLovePDF website's homepage. From here, you're gonna open the sign PDF tool. Let's look for it here. You're gonna look for the sign PDF. As you can see, it has the pencil or the pen icon. You're gonna click on sign PDF. Then you're gonna be asked to upload the PDF. You can upload this via a Google Drive, a Dropbox, or you can select a PDF from your file browser. Then you're gonna choose a PDF file. Now here you will choose who will sign this document, only me or several people. You can choose only me. Then you're going to add your signature. You can choose your signature and type in your name right here. And then choose the fonts, the style of the signature, like this. Or you can choose the initials, the company stamp, etc. While using the company stamp, you're going to be able to upload a company stamp, for example. Then you're going to choose add signature, and you can add your signature and place the signature where needed and resize it if necessary. We're going to click on here and click on apply. And then you're going to drag it right here and drag your signature right here on any page. Then you're going to sign in by clicking save changes and click on sign. And then you have the downloadable file that has your signature. We're going to open it, and as you can see, it has the signature right here. And finally, digital signatures makes documents work so much faster and more convenient. And that's it. Now you know how to sign a PDF in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.